Retire like a genius.
How to become a Medicaid genius. Almost everyone has heard of Medicaid, but most people really don't think very much about or understand how this program works. Navigating retirement income, health care, and long-term care in the United States can be very complex. The more a person can understand about critical entitlement programs, the more likely they are to build and live a well-balanced retirement and retire like a genius. Medicaid provides health care coverage for over 72 million people and is the biggest payer of long-term care for seniors. Qualifying for Medicaid is a means-based process that limits the amount of income and assets an applicant can possess to around $1,000 to $2,000 of income and $2,000 of assets. So here are some common myths and facts about Medicaid. Myth: qualifying for Medicaid is automatic, like Medicare or Social Security. Fact: qualifying for each program is very different. Medicaid is an income asset level based program for the poor with strict income and asset limits for applicants. Myth: people who apply for Medicaid can transfer ownership of their assets or redirect income to others. Fact: Medicaid requires a detailed look back of all finances going back 5 years to discover if assets have been transferred below market value or if income has been improperly shifted to others. Myth: Medicaid will cover any type of long-term care. Fact: Medicaid is restrictive on what forms of long-term care are covered and in what setting they are received. Medicaid primarily covers care provided in a nursing home, won't cover assisted living or memory care, and it is very difficult to qualify for Medicaid-funded care received at home. Myth: Medicaid won't impact a recipient's estate after they die. Fact: Medicaid is mandated by law to recover as much as possible spent on an individual from their estate during the probate court process. Any assets still owned by the individual, such as real estate or life insurance, will be claimed by the government to claw back reimbursements before the family can receive anything. Understanding how entitlement programs work is critical to make sure mistakes are not made that can delay or jeopardize enrollment and access to benefits that a person is entitled to receive. Medicaid can play a critical role in a person's retirement, but the more people understand about the program, the more they'll get out of it and help themselves retire like a genius.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.